Here is the Gemmy animated red base blue vest spinning snowflake snowman. The snowflakes are shorter. I had to fix those because while I was repairing everything else, the snowflakes ended up breaking twice on me actually. Once I was fixing it. One while I was taking it apart, the snowflakes broke, and then while I was repairing it, the snowflakes broke off. Now, the snowflake arm. I'm not the best sewer. So mistakes. Blue vest has a black glove, but this is probably what the blue vest's glove would have looked like. The hat arm works, spinning arm works, cheeks, all the lights are working. It's fully repaired. So, here it is. But yeah, I am actually very, very shocked on how the hat arm works. I am so shocked at the hat arm, actually, because my other one on fresh batteries doesn't even, the hat arm on this one works so well. Even though it's very loud and grindy, I don't care that it's loud and grindy. Snowflakes are, the hand is missing, thread, is missing cotton and stuff. I'm not gonna fix that, but yeah. He's done, he's fully repaired, and that's him. So yeah, guys, please like and subscribe for more.